Welcome! In front of me is an Honor 200 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, which looks to be located in the Tools folder. You can see it right over here, Contacts. Just open it up, there we go. Once you have your contacts open, click on the three dots and navigate to Settings. Now on here, let me just quickly check something. So this is a dialer, and I'm pretty sure even though it's technically the same app, yep, it has two different settings. So when you're on the phone tab and you go into the settings, we have different options than when you go to contacts and settings. So make sure you go into the contacts list if you went through the contacts through the dialer instead of the dedicated contacts app. And in here, we can then select import export. We're gonna select import from SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on my SIM card. Now for me, there isn't very many of them, there's only 5, and I can quickly select all of them by clicking right here. I can also just manually select each one of those, or however many I want, or maybe all and deselect ones that I don't want. Once that's done, click on import and then choose where you want to import your contacts to. Now you have two options, or at least I have two options. I have the phone, which everyone will have, and I have the Google account, which not everyone will see, but obviously if you have a Google account signed in on a device, you should see it. Anyway, from here, choose where you want to import your contacts to. I'll select the phone. This imports all selected contacts, we should be able to see once you go back to the main contact list. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, the Honor Dialer Contacts app, however you want to classify this, does clump up all the contacts from every location into the list. So you'll see that we have contacts right here, which we have info line, and another info line for roaming. So one of these info lines is the same one as the one that is on the SIM card, and the phone is displaying this one from, I presume, the Google account or the phone. I think this is Google account. Then these ones are from the SIM card. So you will find duplicate contacts all around just because it displays them from your phone, from the Google account, and from the SIM card all at the same time in the list. Now, if this is something that bugs you and you don't want to have it function like so, you could download the contacts application by Google, which allows you to organize your contacts in a much more neat way and then have it like this. So you could get that from the Play Store if you wanted to. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.